Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what many consider the best his and hers luggage tags on the market, the Eccolo 3-pack luggage tag set. If you're someone who travels often with a partner or just wants a stylish and practical way to identify your bags, this set is designed to make your life easier and your luggage stand out. Right out of the box, you'll notice that this set comes with 3 tags labeled his, hers, and ours. It's perfect for couples who want to keep their travel gear organized or even for families sharing luggage. The tags come in neutral colors, brown, white, and black, which are subtle yet sophisticated, fitting any suitcase style. The material is faux leather, giving you that elegant leather look and feel without the use of animal products. Each tag is thoughtfully crafted with thin stitching along the edges, adding durability and a refined finish. The straps are made from PU leather and use a buckle closure, ensuring that your tags stay securely attached to your bags no matter how bumpy your journey gets. Measuring 2.5 by 4.5 inches, these tags are compact enough not to be in the way but large enough to be easily spotted on crowded baggage carousels. They include ID cards so you can discreetly add your contact information without worrying about privacy. This makes them not only stylish but functional in helping recover lost luggage. Another great thing about the Eccolo set is the versatility it offers. Whether you're gifting it as a bridal shower present, an engagement gift for an adventurous couple, or simply upgrading your own travel accessories, these tags come in gift-ready packaging that makes them ideal for any occasion. The brand behind these tags, Eccolo, is known for bringing high-quality travel and home accessories with a touch of global inspiration. With offices in New York City and Florence, Italy, they combine everyday practicality with elegant design. Overall, the Eccolo 3-pack luggage tag set delivers on both style and function. If you're searching for a reliable, attractive way to personalize and protect your luggage, this set is a fantastic choice to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more honest product reviews. Safe travels.